Hey guys, we're gonna do a quick battery change on a Pulsar watch. I'm gonna teach you how to undo the band and then remove the back cover, change the battery. So if you want to start with just taking the link off, you could do that too. Sometimes it's just easier to take the pin from the clasp off. I'll show you a zoom in on it. So you can always push this pin in and basically pop it out, or you could just remove one of these links and you will always have the arrow over here pointing down or this way. I think this one doesn't have one, but I can clearly see it's gonna have to be pushed on this side outside, so I'm gonna have to put the pin here. So I'm gonna use the pin remover tool and I'm gonna pop the pin out. You could do either way. I can also do this one right here. If you pop this in, it's a spring pin, so as soon as you do that, the spring comes off. Make sure that you hold on to this piece right here because sometimes it just flies away. So now this is a Japanese movement. I'm going to show you a close-up on this too. So let's take this tool. It's nothing too particular. You can find this online, and we'll just measure it up to the size of the back. It should basically sit in this way. Or we could do it this way too. Okay, and I'm going to tighten it a little more. Right in here. Okay, so I have a good grip now, and I'm going to tighten it even more. It's not going nowhere, and you'll be easily able to take the back off. Once you do that, you don't need the tool all the way. You could just do it. Use your thumbs to do it. So let's see what's in here first. Okay, so this movement. Let's see the close. Oh, right here. It is the Epson, and this would requires a Japanese movement, Epson Corp, and I think this takes a 371 or a 373. We should try a 371 first. This is a 371. Okay, so 371. Let's see if this works. Okay, 371. Oh, it's actually working. Okay, good. So that's pretty much it. You can set the time, or you can set the date. To put it back together now, I have the pin right here. Just make sure I don't lose this. So okay, so put the plastic casing back on, just like that, and take the back. Make sure the gasket's intact. If it's damaged, it won't be water resistant anymore. So just make sure the gasket's good. And once the gasket is good, you put it on here. And without using a tool, just use your thumbs to kind of tighten the plate back on first. You don't have to use the tool first. Make sure that it's sitting right. You're able to easily move it. A little back and forth usually helps set it. So once you have that, you have it set. Keep doing that a couple of times. Okay, I got it now. Okay, I have it tight enough, but I'm going to use the tool now. And I'm going to use this tool. I'm going to tighten it. Okay, got it. That's that. Ah, it's the tightest it gets. So now to put the pin back in, put the pin in here, and then fold the band together, put it on one side first, this way, and then you can use one of these knives. I'm going to show you. Just slide it back in just a little bit. I'm going to use this to hold on to it. Oops. Let's try one more time. Put it through here, and I'll hold it over here. Okay. Just back here. Alright, there you go. And that's pretty much it. That's how you put a battery in a Pulsar watch and you set the right time and date. That's it. Thank you.